The problem of water storage and one of the most important issues that the entire world focusing on. So setting a goal to deliver safe drinking water to everyone is the top priority for achieving global development. However, population growth, increased pollution, and climatic change have led to the continuation of the phenomenon increasingly during the 21st century. Therefore, we try to create a game this 2 weeks by scratch to help children understand this problem and also help them to solve it. At the beginning, we noticed this main menu with the little cat, and I like to name him Mishu because I raised a cat that has the same name and color. Let's go back to the game. Here we see two buttons, one of which showed the creators, me, Adam Boutbagha Group representative, and Ryan Abzar and Ansa Mariam. With the aid of teacher Farid El Kharrazi, we study in Zaytoun Middle School from Morocco, and the other button is the start button of the game. The goal of the player here is to defeat all the enemies, collecting water, store it, and give it to thirsty animals, and protect this world from the lack of water. And now I will show you the gameplay. We will tap the play button and use the arrow keys to move. This is the three animals, fox and monkey and the bear. We need to collect these bottles of water. He's killing me. I try. I'm so bad in this game. I have only one heart. I collect now 2 hearts. Yeah, I do that. Collect the 5 one. Collect the key here. Open this door and collect. No, I lost the game. I should click to the replay button. Replay all these things and collect the last button. Open the door again. Now we will return to the animal to give them water. Skip this one. We will tap replay to replay the game and credit to who created the game. And see you in another part.